Using the luxator to luxate all the teeth. All the teeth are coming out, so very gently. Same with the other one. And remember, push, grab hold of the root, push and rotate. Figure of 8 movement. And look at the grip. Always grip the root. Okay. Same with this one. Thank you. And same with this one. So push, 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 and gentle rotation. The molar tooth. Open wide. Again, you push, 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 push. So you can rotate multi-rooted teeth, like so. Same here, canine. Push, push, push. Put the grip. Go back to the luxator. Loosen the teeth. And again, same principle. Push and gentle figure of 8. Open wide, lift your chin up. Last one. And like the cameraman say, that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.